So this is the second video, but probably first I'll post. Yesterday's video did not come out the way I thought it would. I didn't really know how to crop everything well, and also the audio came out really bad. I made $4.68 yesterday. So I'm starting off with $84.09. Anyways, this is my video journal, I guess, to kind of review all my trades and make sure everything's going well. So it did gap down pretty large amount today. I usually don't trade when things gap down just because there's a lot more movement than I'm used to. So I'm just gonna chart. So this is something I would take, like if it were to pass above this line, but for me to take the trade, I usually take trades that are between 45 and 55 RSI. Volume's also been declining, I guess. So it is kind of what I would say ready for like reversal. I might take this. I didn't get it. Usually I take profit there, but yesterday I took profit way too soon. The worst part is I get, like, because the move isn't that big, I just get super greedy with it. So I start trading the P&L. I'll probably sell past this here. I wouldn't know where the next resistance would be, maybe over here. So if it can pass through these, it might do well, but RSI is pretty high, so I'm thinking of selling. But if it could stay above this line, I think would be good. Okay, I held it, so we'll see. Might even just take here because I don't want to stay in this. Because I don't know if there's going to be like a huge move out of nowhere. That's good enough for me. There we go. I didn't like how it was like it hit this pretty hard and then it moved back down. But it could break above. But I mostly saw because RSI was already so high. I didn't think that we could keep going, but I don't want to get in the bad habit of continually holding when things are already at such a high RSI. $6 profit. This is like an extreme small account challenge. If it does hit here, I'm going to be really sad. I think it might start trading sideways to RSI. It gets a little bit better. I did get in the bad habit of keeping like support or resistance lines that I've drawn that like have been broken, because usually it means that it shouldn't really be a thing anymore. Like this line shouldn't really be looked at anymore, since now this would be a new support, or even this low would be a new support, and then these wouldn't be resistances anymore. Like I would still kind of keep this as a resistance just because it didn't like fully break above and it tried to hit it again right here, but the ones before were getting broken a couple times. If I did have more money, this would be a trade where I would get really impulsive and then take puts, just because the next support would be over here and RSI is pretty high. That shouldn't be a trade I take just because RSI is so high, and that could mean that maybe there's just like a lot of momentum. That's one thing I'm trying to do better at, is like making sure all the criteria are there before I get to a trade. The volume did, like the last 4 candlesticks, volume has just been falling. Some move is bound to happen. See, if I took puts there, RSI is so high, just signal to me that maybe momentum is pretty high. But you can see here how 20 SMA it's going above 50, maybe it's signaling a new trend. It's like I'm just getting used to this new format of me videotaping my trades instead of like, I used to journal everything and then take all the notes down and data points of like, where was RSI, where was this, where was that. Even though no one's watching this video but me, it does feel like if someone else watches this and they're like, damn, this guy really held like a losing trade, it's just like that, the back of my head makes me want to sell things quicker or get into even grade A type of trades. I'm probably gonna turn this off now just because like I can't really trade anymore. I'm done with all my buying power. All right, probably for the day, $6 after commissions. That's $4.68. Two, three, four.